Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the basic concept of single phase transformer. According to our need, we use single phase transformer or three phase transformer. As we know that electrical energy is generated at places where it is easier to get energy resources, that is water head, coal, etc. Water head for thermal power, hydropower plant, coal for thermal power plant, because this is the main source of electrical energy. This energy has to be transmitted to considerable distance for use in villages, towns, and cities which located at distant places. As we know that in India, 11 kV is generated from various type of generators. So for this low voltage, the power loss is very high when transmitting through transmission lines. So to reduce these losses, we need a device to increase the voltage level so that the losses occur in transmission line are reduced. Okay, so at the power station, we use step-up transformer to step the voltage level from 11 kV to high voltage level, and at the distribution station, we need a step-down transformer to reduce the voltage level. So what is single phase transformer? Single phase transformer is a static device, means it does not contain any rotating moving parts. Okay, it is used to transfer electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit without any change in frequency and power. This is very important concept, that single phase transformer transfer electric energy from one circuit to another circuit without any electrical connection between the two circuit and without change in frequency and power. Frequency and power are same on both the sides of transformer. So this is the core. It is a magnetic circuit. There are two winding. This is the primary winding and this is the secondary winding. So what is primary winding? Primary winding is that winding in which we apply the supply voltage at frequency F, and the secondary winding is that winding in which we get the output at the same frequency and power. So we apply the supply voltage V1 at frequency. We apply the voltage V1 at frequency F in primary winding. We get the output voltage V2 at same frequency F, but the level of output voltage has been changed. Okay, either it is higher, okay, from primary voltage, so this is our primary voltage, this is our primary voltage. Okay, if we get the output voltage V2 which is higher than V1, this is V1, this is V1. Okay, if we get the output voltage V2 higher than V1, then it is called step-up transformer. Then it is called step-up transformer. Step-up transformer is that transformer in which the output voltage is greater than input voltage. And if the output voltage is less than, if we get the output voltage is less than primary voltage, then it is called step-down transformer. This is step up and this is step down, means output voltage V2 is less than V1. So in transformer, the level of output voltage has been changed. Either it is higher level, we get the higher level, or we get the lower level, but frequency and power remains the same. So where we use the single phase, where we use the transformer is the main part of AC generation, transmission and distribution system for stepping up and down the generated voltage. So this is a transformer at transmission side And this is a transformer at distribution side. This is step up transformer because we need to increase the voltage level from 11 kV to higher level. So we need step up transformer. So at the transmission side, we need step up transformer, and for distribution side we need a step down transformer. This is single phase transformer because one core is there. These are the various pictures of different types of transformer. This is a bank of three-phase transformer in which three single-phase transformer are used to get three-phase supply. Okay, so this is also called bank of single-phase transformer. This is radiators for cooling purpose. Okay, for cooling the transformer. This is the three-phase core type transformer in which three cores are there. Okay, so if one core is there, then it is called single phase transformer. If three cores are there, then it is called three phase transformer. This is shell types single phase transformer, step down transformer. Here are some more pictures of transformer. You might be seen in different places. This is the transformer at distribution site or transmission site. This is the radiators, conservators, bushings. This is the bushings, high level bushing. This is low level bushings. Conservator, radiators to cool down the transformer oil. This is the radiators to cool down the transformer oil. This is the pictures of transformer. Okay, this is the three-phase transformer, pole mounted transformer mounted on a iron pole. This is wooden pole mounted transformer. Okay, this is also pole mounted transformer. So that's all for today's lecture. In next class, we will discuss the working principle of transformer. Okay, so as we know that transformer is based on the principle of Faraday law of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. So in next class, we discuss what is Faraday law, what is mutual induction. Okay, thank you so much.